Now, let me show you how you can get more XP on your Duolingo. So if we get inside of the Duolingo app like this, you might be going through your classes and lessons as usual. But then if you want to make sure that you get more points or XP for each completed class, for example, when I click on this one, I'm going to get 35 XP if I complete that. But within the app, there are these multipliers, like you can get this 35x, get multiplied by 1.5x or by 2x or even a 3x. And you get it there either by going to the shop right here at the top. When you click on the gems right there, you can go to the shop and you can enable the XP boost, right? So you can essentially do that if you can buy it. For me, I have to do more lessons for that, right? So you either purchase the XP boost and then activate it, or as I say, you go through your classes, and when you reach this little treasure box or whatever it is, then you're going to get some points. You either get some gems, or it's very likely that you're also going to get the XP boost. Right? So usually when you complete some kind of challenge or you get in here to this chest, it's going to open up and it's very likely you're going to get the XP boost from that point on. Or you also have the daily quests, right? So as you can see, you have a monthly quest and you have daily quests. And if you, for example, if I completed the next 3 lessons, I get another chest. Then if I do get 5 in a row in 2 lessons, I get another chest, and so on. And the point is that I believe 2 of those chests contain the XP boost, which means that once I completed that and I opened up this treasure or whatever it is, then my XP got boosted and doubled or even tripled. So these are the only ways you can essentially get more XP for the same exercises or, the same course. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to find it on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the next uploads.